Hello guys, this is Priyank Godak and welcome back to your favorite channel Technology. Recently I have purchased one Bluetooth earbuds of Sprout company from Telstra store, and it cost me near about 200 Australian dollar, which is almost 10,000 INR. So it's imperative to do unboxing of it. Yeah, I just want to clarify that I am doing this kind of unboxing things for the first time. So I am very excited and let's get started. So this is Bluetooth version 4.0 earbuds, and it is waterproof up to 1 meter and wired design. So let's do unboxing of this. Okay, so here's the first look of this Sprout earbuds. Okay, so this is our earbuds. Yeah, so here it is. Sprout. And to start this, you have to click pause button for 3 to 4 seconds. I think I have to charge first. So after clicking pause button, if it starts, then here it will blink blue light. Okay, so I have to charge. And yeah, I got this one box from this. Let's see what's there inside this. Okay, alright, so here it's guide, user guide for this. These are basic functions: increase volume, decrease volume, answer a call, end a call, and etc. And yeah, what is this? Okay, so this is sport earbuds, so they are also giving ear tips with this, and it is of medium size, large size and small size. That's good. Okay, and so I have to fix this, like okay, this one is for right side and this is also right side. Okay, so just I have to fix like this. Done. So it will be look like this. Yeah, nice earbuds. And yeah, to okay, this one is USB cable also here. To charge this, this is the cable. You have to remove this. Okay, and here is the slot. Alright, and what's there? Okay, one more cap, charger. Okay, and yeah, this is the cover of Sprout. Yeah, good enough. Nice packing, and use the hands free. Okay, so that's it. Now after watching this video, what do you think? Give your reviews in comment section given below. Is it worth it to purchase this Bluetooth earbuds of in 10,000 rupees. Or yeah, any reviews you have, you can give in comment section given below. And hope you like this video, and I'll be here with new technical content very soon. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching this.